people enter trade without trying to know the place of price action, know the place of resistance levels, and they don't even recognize this when moving averages are crossing each other. They think it's nothing, but it's something. In this video, I'm going to teach you, show you, help you to find out simple ways you can trade using Volatility 75. Yes, my name is GDFS, and today I'm giving you this platform for you to learn and also for you to enter your trade without shaking. All right, so please remember that this strategy works for boom 500, boom 500, boom 300, boom 1000, crash 1000, but this one I am using V75, volatility 75, on popular request, because people has been asking me to give them a video that can help them to trade using volatility. Alright, so in this video today, please stay tuned because it's going to be short and also very. Now, how do you trade volatility using this particular strategy? You trade using this very particular strategy. Like here now, this is 1 hour time frame, and as you are using this 1 hour time frame, you discover that a bearish candle just opened now, and it opened above. Let's look at it. It opened above this moving average. We have 21 moving average. Please, the setting is 21 moving average exponential, 10 moving average exponential, and 200 moving average exponential. Look at it. This is 200 moving average exponential. Let me change the color so that you will see it. Have you seen it? It has changed. Yes, this one is, look at this one. This one is 10 moving average. Let me also change the color so that you are able to see it. Have you seen it? All right, let me change it to another color. Let me change it to another color. Let me put something like this. All right, so this is 10 and this one is 21 moving average exponential. For those who will be asking me about the indicator, I put the indicators. This is it. All right, so how do you trade using this particular strategy? Now, it's very, very simple. You know that volatility is something that is too volatile. The movement of volatility and crash is not the same. Crash is, it will keep candling in speeds or in candlesticks, and all of a sudden it will drop, and while it drop we call it spikes. But here volatility will not spike, volatility will climb. It will be moving up and down, it will be moving up and down. Watch it here, it's moving up and down. While the thing is moving, the thing is coming down. So how do you trade using this very strategy? Number one, add your 200 moving average on your screen. Remember, this thing works on smartphone. It's not only for PC, it works on smartphone. Yes, it works on smartphone. So when you are trading on these things, so you see where I place buy here. How sure am I that this thing is number one? How to see confirmation is that this moving average or your candlestick, even without the candles, the moving averages, even without the moving averages, you can enter your trade. Look at it. Look at it. Even without your moving average, you can enter your listing using price actions. Yes, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. How? Check the previous support and resistance zone. Check it. I'm talking about crash volatility 75 now. The same thing work on volatility 25, 10, volatility 50, and volatility 100. I have not tested it on volatility 200. All right. So now when you check something like this, now you see where I placed this thing here. Buy. How do I know that this thing has come to the stage of buying? Now this is my horizontal, and if you check where I place this thing now, watch this place. Watch this place now. Watch this place carefully. Watch here now. If you watch here, you will see that there is a resistance levels here. Check it carefully. Sorry for taking a little of your time because I want to showcase something here. Now watch these things carefully. When you see these things carefully, when you watch these things carefully, please, are you getting it? When you watch this thing carefully, you discover one thing. You discover one thing. Let's go. I drop this horizontal line. This place is the support zone, the resistance zone, and here is, let me show you, and here, this place is the the support zone. Now, when I drop this horizontal line, the market consolidated at this very place. Get it now? So the market consolidated at this very place. Let me zoom in so that you can see it clearly. So the market consolidated. So when market consolidated, it was not easy for market to continue the movement. Yeah, watch it here. So it was not easy for market to move the direction when the market crossed below. Now, as this market happened this way, so I placed this thing here. Look at it. Look at this, is a weak candle, and this one here is also a weak candle. So, and this place, the market tried, the buyers tried to move up, but they went down like this and try again and push down. So they tried here and they keep going down to this extent without making a direct movement. And now look at this very place. Look at this place. Please look at this place. Now, why this thing happened this way, you discover that the thing happens ups and down. So with this little thing you can see here now, so the same thing happened at this very place. Look at it. The same thing happened at this very place. Can you see it? It happened here. So the market moved up, and this place, I placed this horizontal here. This thing, look at it. I placed this horizontal, giving me the confirmation that with this and with this, that the market that goes up need to break out from this place again. Let me repeat itself again. Let me repeat it again. Here, this is a weak candle, and this place is a consolidation. So the market that consolidated need to break out, and the market break out from here and moved up. And why it break out from here? Let's assume that you entered your trade. You will have taken 2 candles, but it's not as confident as it should be, except you are trading with a low account. So now what I have to do is to wait for this market to do their drama. Now, why the drama is still going on, so I have to place my horizontal at this place. So this is my horizontal. I allow the market to go up and go down. So when you now add your indicators, which is your 21 moving average, when you add your 21 moving average, and you also add your 10 moving average, when you now add your 10 moving average, so when you now add your 10 moving average, I change the color, I put yellow. Do you see? So now this thing is crossing each other at this place, making it not a confirmed trade. But now when it happened at this place, there is a cross here. So once this thing cross here, and this is my resistance zone, so the thing break out with this bullish candle and with this engulfing candle. So when this thing break out from this place, it gives me a solid confirmation that this market is going to move up. So what do? You enter your buy here at this place. This is why you see this thing here. So you enter your buy here, and where should you put your stop loss? Your stop loss should be somewhere here, which means your stop loss should be somewhere here. This is the time. This is where you should put your stop loss, at this very place. Do you get that now? Now, for clearer confirmation, you have to add your 200 moving average. What is the work of the 200 moving average? For you to confirm the trend of the day. The nature of the movement. Do you get that? The nature. So, which means that as this thing has crossed over below 200 moving average and is now above the 200 moving average, it gives you more confirmation that this market has completely become uptrend. Do you get that? Yes. So this is how it works. Look at the current movement of the market for the day. At this point now, you don't enter any trade at this point, though the thing has crossed the 200 moving average, but we need a breakout from here. Looking at this resistance level, so what do? We go to our lower time frame and see the drama that is going on here. So when you go to your lower time frame, you discover one thing. You discover that the market has not even break out completely. So for somebody who want to trade on volatility 75, how do you trade? You trade with caution. Number one, you go to your 1 minute time frame. I'm talking about those with lower account now. So this is how you trade with lower account. How do you trade? You go to your lower time frame. Anytime you see such a cross here, anytime you see a cross here, like this, if you see this type of cross, here, anytime you see this type of cross, it gives you a confirmation that you can take some candles. But before you do that, you must wait. You must allow this break out first. So if you are using a small account like $30, $50, this is the strategy you should apply. So for more and clearer confirmation, look at what I'm showing you here now. For more and clearer confirmation, you have to wait. But sometimes the stochastic oscillator can deceive, because sometimes they respond with the higher time frame more easier than the lower time frame. Like just see what happened here now. If you look at this place now, you discover that this thing touched this place. Instead of this thing to start going down, it started, instead of this thing to come like this to implement with this thing, instead it moved downward. So this is why sometimes those who rely on indicators only can make a lot of losses. That is this. That is how the market works. So please, this is how simple this strategy is, and it works for everybody. So when you're using a smaller size, each time you see a cross on your window, on your main window like this, you are good to go. Look at it. So like here now, you can't enter trade here because at this point it has not making a breakout, because you need to see a breakout from here. And by so doing, this thing now has crossed completely. And when this thing crossed completely, you will see something like this. Let me show you. You'll see something like this. As we're seeing this thing here. Once you see this thing, wait for a breakout. And once you see a breakout, you are good to go. This is how simple volatility 75 can be. But remember, volatility 75 can be too volatile. So when you are using a small account, and you should have risk management. You should always have a risk management when trading, especially volatility 75 or any volatility. You must have risk management. You must have a target. If the losses get to $5, I will close. If the losses get to $9, I will close. Don't allow your money to get to $20 before you close it. It's very, very dangerous. My name is GDFS, please. My intention in this place is to help you make money on forex trading. And please, if you need mentorship, I am here. Remember, it cannot be free, because business is not free. I don't do free business, please. And for those of you who likes what I'm doing, my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you, because I am here because you are there. The reason why GDFS is impressed is because somebody like you is there. So you are so much important to me. I love you so much, because I am smiling today because you are there. So please, if you need mentorship, please feel free to contact me, WhatsApp me, please, in a private chat. And let me make this announcement. I don't charge people to give them strategies. No, anybody demanding that with my name is not me. I don't have a Telegram group where I give out signals and you pay me for that. No, I don't do that. I don't have that. The WhatsApp group I have for signals is currently suspended. The only group I have is GDFS Guru's Home. Yes, that one is for those who are in the mentorship class only. And that place, I don't send signal. I only maybe once in a week. So please feel free to relate with me. And remember that it is far more better to give yourself a trial by learning it than trying with your hard-earned money. You blow up your account of $200, $500, $1,000, and you say, how can I pay somebody $200 to learn? How can I pay $100? How can I pay $500 to learn? And at the end of the day, you blow it up. You deposit again and you blow it up. Let me tell you, making profit and losing it is a sign that you don't have the appropriate knowledge, but you have the knowledge but not the appropriate knowledge. So feel free to contact me in case you need mentorship, and follow this simple strategy. Try it on your demo first, but if you have huge account, feel free. It's safe. I'm telling you, it's safe. Yes, it's safe. 100% safe. No, 99% safe. We don't have 100%. So 99% safe. So try it on your demo and see how it works. My name is GDFS. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and I will love if you are